What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get more views on your video, and a #1 tool for every YouTuber. Everybody should have this and use this tool. This will get you a lot more views, it'll give you a lot more options, it'll help you in so many ways, and it's totally free. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Here's my YouTube channel. Shout out to everybody subscribing to my YouTube channel. I have 2,104 subscribers now. Alright, and shout out to you guys for hashtagging Thizzle Crew. Shout out to SR Cryptics. Shout out to Damien B4. Shout out to Intro58. Shout out to Bailey Turner. All you guys, thank you for hashtagging Thizzle Crew on the comments down below. If you guys want a shout out, comment hashtag Thizzle Crew with the K, and I'll give you guys a shout out. Alright, so as you guys can see here, last month I did really good. 166,000 views in 1 month, you guys. You guys need to use this tool. Here is the tool, like whenever you're in your YouTube channel, this is the tool that you're going to be using. It'll give you messages about what's going on, updating, tools, industry news. This is the milestones. This is pretty cool. Alright, so go to Google, go to YouTubeBuddy.com. Alright, so this is going to bring it up, and what you guys are going to do is download this extension, and it will be on your computer as soon as you go to your Creator Studio. You'll see it right here, pop it up, and then we will go to, let's go to our Launchpad, sign in. And if you guys go through YouTube Buddy and you actually get people to, sign up with them, you guys will get a percentage out of that. You guys can make money with this also. So let's see. We'll go back to home. Promo materials, that's what we want. Alright, so you guys can do these also, and this will give you guys free stuff. Like, right now I'm doing this one. That way I can have 2 months free Legend upgrade. And there's other stuff also. You can use your credit card and get it that way on Twitter. It's very easy. And you guys will get a lot more views with this. Yep, so I'm going to make this video. You guys definitely want to download this. It will help out in so many ways. Let me just show you how it works real quick. In the video, you're going to go to edit. Alright, so when you're in this and you're editing your videos, as you can see right here, the tools for YouTube Buddy will be right here. This will give you all of your tags, and this will tell you where that tag is, and when you click on it, where it ranks, who ranks the #1 on that tag. That's how you get your videos to get to the top of the view page whenever you want to get to the very top. You guys, it's all about tags. It help you with info cards, thumbnails, end screen, stuff like that. It is a major help to me, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do, and go and download it. That's going to do it for this video. Like, share, subscribe if you guys are new. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.